The 2023 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition brings factory racing levels of racing anger to the privateer paddock. With limited units being built, it is as exclusive as the weaponry used in the official Red Bull KTM factory racing team. Blending factory racing graphics and top-shelf racing componentry, the 2023 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition doesn't only look the part, it shreds too. Model highlights: orange frame, factory racing seat, factory wheels, Akrapovič slip-on line, semi-floating front brake disc, factory racing front brake disc guard, carbon reinforced. Factory racing skid plate, carbon reinforced. Factory racing triple clamp. Factory start device WP. OD lock on grip set. Hinson outer clutch cover. Vented airbox cover. Orange sprocket. Golden chain.